2 p.m. I'm working on Robin car, removing the radio and stuff. But with this screw and that screw, somebody already removed the radio, so there's no screw down there. Alright, so I'm just gonna move these up here. I'm trying to get into that glove box. And they moved, somebody was already in here like they do with this dashboard right here. First time I work on it. Somebody was in there, they were taking this car apart. Alright, so I'm gonna take the radio out just to get into that glove box. Alright. Tuning up the Dodge Ram 1500. The Ram. It's not Dodge anymore, they changed it to the Ram. Yeah. I just to remove all those spark plugs. It's 2 spark plugs to each cylinders. I'm putting in new coils. 16 spark plugs. 8 coil packs. These are the new ones. Right here in the plastic. All yellow. I put one in already. And one around the corner right there. And these are the rest of the spark plugs that are coming out. I'm also doing a brand new oil change. New air filter and all of that. So it's kind of like a big job. It's tricky and tight around this corner right here underneath the booster. And this side is not going to be so hard. You're just going to get into those. So I just bought this one and I'm trying to put it together, you know, like doing a nice little tune up on it and stuff. Alright, so this is the Ram 1500 2011. It start right up. The battery was dead. The air suspension keep failing me on this car. So yeah. So I'm gonna try and make this bad boy run. That's my friend's one over there. Mine sit to the ground. Low to the ground. Alright. So get a good little jump start. A whole lot of junk in the trunk. Yeah. Battery down there. I had to get a battery from the junkyard. I didn't want to get a new one because they're so expensive. This one cost me like 60 bucks over there. Yeah. But because the car wasn't running for about a month, the battery went dead. Yeah. But it's good. It hold the charge. Alright. So let me turn this one off and check the oil. And I'll be right back. Yeah guys, this is the Beetle. I'm washing her. Quite possible somebody gonna take it. Yeah, quite possible somebody gonna buy this car today. You know, I'm gonna put a new car on the channel. So this is it. The Beetle. I need a new car on the channel right now. So you know. Looking good. Mat them need to clean up. A little bit dirty. My jacket on the seat and everything. I'm washing this. So that's it. Beautiful. Morning viewers and subscribers, this is the next day for the Passat. See the new headlights in. New headlights in, they look beautiful. Nice. It's the same procedure by removing them to replace them back. So I didn't there's a little scratch on my bumper right here. I was doing it. The same procedure. Put it back. But they looking nice, pretty now. Yeah, they had like that fender now next to get done. Yeah, man. Car looking good again. Then some clean up and get these spots off. Wash it and clean it. And all of that. Boy, car looking good again. Alright. So the new headlight been replaced. Didn't get to test them and readjust them last night. So that's the next move. Yeah. And this is my bead. Time for the Beetle and its struts. Today I'm working on it. End of the low rider. See, I'm gonna do a spring conversion right now. See, low motherfucker. It's low to the ground. Low rider for now. So that's the end of it.